Been waiting on one item for the 190E. Finally got here. See how small this is? This is what's been holding up the car. So we're going to take it to the garage and make sure it's the right thing. Moment of truth. Make sure, I mean, online it's the right thing, but it look like it. It look genuine.
Alright, just a second. Just a second.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, I use the whole engine as well.
No.
Oh, the whole one. Hold on, turn it over, man.
Hey? Yeah.
And it's just not all I go, you know. The most, one's just not all I go start.
Bingo.
It's just not all I go, you know, man. Ja. So we're live, so we're live.
Have a part number.
Yeah, part number I use, yeah. Use the part number and...
The one the same thing too?
It's a brand new day and I'm super happy that the gasket that I got is a correct one. And we're gonna head there shortly because I'm pretty sure that gasket is already on the car. And before we head to the garage, I'm heading back to the dealership, back to Mazda, because I scheduled a test drive for 10:30. So I'm heading there now, do a quick test drive. Wife is not with me, you know, because the timing was so short. But, you know, she trusts my judgment. So I'm heading there now and see if I can do this test drive real quick and get back home. We're back here, guys. You can see the beautiful car in the background. We won't be driving that one today. That one is a display. But I think the one we're driving outside. This little thing, don't really see much of these on the roads out here in Jamaica, but these are a pretty popular car in Europe. Very, very popular car in everywhere else except Jamaica. Little though. That's about Talawa. Yeah, taking this white one. Adjust the seats, of course. Key inside?
Yeah, inside. Set up the spare simple.
Juice.
Side mirror controls.
Hold on there. Radio this. Yeah.
Yeah, side mirror controls.
Nice. That is nice. Inside is very nice. Mirror, everything look nice set up already. Drive. And it's in just normal mode now.
Yes, it's in normal mode.
Yeah,
Change the
so
drive
pretty.
mode.
Feel like a big car though. Yeah, man. It's I don't mind that it's not gear suspension though, you know, it's one less thing to go bad.
Yeah, it's a fairly simple setup.
Yeah.
Even for the hybrid component, you can operate without
Let's go straight there,
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
You can operate without it, so you really have to worry about. You know, with a 3.3 turbo. With a 3.3 turbo, the hybrid helps make it more livable.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will burn quite a bit. So we're going to take the right at the stop sign. And then there's a left coming up. There's a left coming up right now.
Okay. Which one?
This one, right? Yeah. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel the rough spot, yeah?
Oh, feel the rough road.
Yes? Got it? Yeah.
hear the engine good, man. Even though it's a big car, it's easy to drive.
Yeah.
Easy.
That's why Mazda price itself, and you know, the maneuverability of it.
Yeah.
Handling is really
Alright. Don't feel bad at all.
good. That's the problem.
Just want to blow it out on the straight there, but next time I slow me up.
When they just came out, there was a complaint between the switch over. So they've been very responsive to their customer feedback because you know it's a relatively new platform, and they're addressing the issues and so on, making it a much better experience when you order.
Not bad at all. Not bad. So it can drive on the electric motor alone?
No, not
no.
really. So like the electric motor, it switches to it at standstill at very low speeds.
Okay.
Creeping in traffic or
Okay,
so, it
okay,
drives the
okay.
electric motor. But once you...
So it's kind of driving on it, but not really.
Yeah, not really. So it doesn't have like a range where you can say you can go X amount
Yeah,
of distance on the electric
yeah.
motor. It's really just... When you're at the standstill, when you're just moving
For
on,
traffic and
like
stuff,
that.
and yeah.
Because you know, usually that's where you'd burn most of the fuel with a big
Yeah.
engine like this. Where you're burning, I can show you when you switch to the electric motor.
Oh,
versus when you're using
okay.
the gas engine.
Nothing bad to say. Respect.
Yeah.
The white, pretty too, you know. Yeah, the white, beautiful one. Nice. Yo, that's a real sexy car. Real sexy car. And it drives really good. And Mazdas are fairly quiet. They don't really make a lot of noise. Like you don't really drive around Jamaica and you see a lot of advertisement and all that stuff. So it's not something that people talk about a lot, Mazdas. But trust me, that car is sexy. It's a beautiful car and it drives real good. Real good, and it feels expensive, you know, inside of it. But guys, straight 6 engine does make a different sound. Because when I was stepping it, and I hear it, I was like, man, this sounds different. But then I realized the straight six engine just different, man, from the V6. You know, the Audi have the V6 sound on the Audi is different. But straight 6, yeah, man, straight 6 is a bad engine, man. Probably one of the perfect engines to make. Straight 6 engines. Probably. So guys, I realized it doesn't make sense. I was heading up to the garage, but this rain is ridiculous. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna head back home. Need to get the kids from school because they have no extracurricular because of this rain. A lot of rain falling, and need to take my wife on the road as well. So it doesn't make sense to go to the garage because if I go to the garage, I have to sit in the car, wait until the rain done fall before I can even come out. And then when I come out, like, there's nothing to do, you know. So I got some videos earlier from damage, you know, so I'll play that video so you guys can see, you know, the finished product. So I won't be going there, but here's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Drop a like on this video and we'll see you in the next one.
wired.